Since its debut in 1989, The Simpsons has been more than just an animated sitcom. It's been a satirical lens through which we've viewed society, politics, and pop culture. With over 700 episodes, the show's writers have crafted narratives that, at times, eerily mirror real-world events. Whether it's a commentary on societal trends or uncanny foresight, The Simpsons has a track record of predicting the future. Let's delve into 10 instances where fiction seemingly became reality. In the 1995 episode Lisa's Wedding, viewers are transported to the year 2010, where Lisa is engaged to a British man. Amidst the futuristic setting, one scene stands out. Lisa communicates with her mother via a video call. At the time, this seemed like a whimsical take on future technology. However, in 2010, Apple introduced FaceTime, bringing video calling to the masses. While video communication had been explored in sci-fi before, The Simpsons showcased it in a domestic, everyday context, making its real-world realization all the more striking. 2. Disney's acquisition of 20th Century Fox in When You Wish Upon a Star. In this 1998 episode, Homer befriends Hollywood elites Alec Baldwin and Kim Basinger. A brief scene shows the 20th Century Fox logo with a subheading, "A division of Walt Disney Co." At the time, this was a satirical jab at media consolidation. Fast forward to 2017, and Disney announced its acquisition of 21st Century Fox for $52.4 billion, making the joke a reality. This merger reshaped the entertainment landscape, bringing franchises like X-Men under Disney's umbrella. Third President Trump in Bart to the Future, Season 11, Episode 17. Airing in 2000, this episode envisions a future where Lisa becomes the first female president, inheriting a budget crisis from her predecessor, President Trump. At the time, Donald Trump's political aspirations were more of a media spectacle than a serious campaign. However, in 2016, Trump was elected as the 45th President of the United States. The episode's writer, Dan Graney, mentioned that the Trump presidency was envisioned as a warning of America's potential decline. The episode gained renewed attention during Trump's tenure, especially when parallels were drawn between Lisa's presidency and Vice President Kamala Harris's political trajectory. News 4th. FIFA scandal and Germany's World Cup win in You Don't Have to Live Like a Referee. Season 25, Episode 16. In this 2014 episode, Homer becomes a referee for the World Cup in Brazil. The storyline delves into corruption within FIFA, with Homer being tempted by bribes. Later that year, real-world events mirrored the episode. Germany won the World Cup, and FIFA was embroiled in a massive corruption scandal involving bribery and fraud. The episode's portrayal of both the tournament outcome and the organization's malfeasance was remarkably prescient. 5th U.S. curling team's Olympic gold in Boy Meets Curl, Season 21, Episode 12. Airing in 2010, this episode features Homer and Marge joining a mixed curling team that competes in the Winter Olympics, ultimately defeating Sweden to win gold for the U.S. 8 years later, at the 2018 Pyeongchang Winter Olympics, the U.S. men's curling team clinched their first-ever gold medal by defeating Sweden. The episode's accurate prediction of both the matchup and the outcome left fans astounded. 6th Higgs-boson discovery in The Wizard of Evergreen Terrace, Season 10, Episode 2. In this 1998 episode, Homer becomes an inventor and is seen scribbling equations on a chalkboard. One of these equations closely resembles the formula for the Higgs boson mass, a fundamental particle whose existence wasn't confirmed until 2012. While the show's writers, some with advanced scientific backgrounds, may have included the equation as a nod to theoretical physics. Its accuracy years before the particle's discovery is noteworthy. Baby translator in Brother, Can You Spare Two Dimes? In this 1992 episode, Homer's half-brother, Herb, invents a device that translates baby babble into understandable speech. At the time, it was a humorous concept. Today, several apps aim to interpret a baby's cries, analyzing sounds to determine needs like hunger or discomfort. While not exact translations, the technology aligns with the episode's imaginative invention. 8th Nobel Prize Prediction in Elementary School Musical, Season 22, Episode 1. Airing in 2010, this episode shows Lisa and her friends betting on Nobel Prize winners. Milhouse predicts that MIT economist Bengt Holmstrom will win. 6 years later, in 2016, Holmstrom was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences. The coincidence between the episode's prediction and real-life events showcases the show's uncanny foresight. Three-eyed fish in 2 cars in every garage and 3 eyes on every fish. Season 2, Episode 4. In this 1990 episode, Bart catches a 3-eyed fish named Blinky near the Springfield nuclear power plant, highlighting concerns about environmental pollution. In 2011, a real 3-eyed fish was discovered in a reservoir in Argentina, located near a nuclear facility. The real-world discovery echoed the show's satirical take on the consequences of industrial contamination. All-you-can-eat lawsuit in New Kid on the Block, Season 4, Episode 8. In this 1992 episode, Homer is kicked out of an all-you-can-eat seafood restaurant for consuming excessive amounts, leading him to sue for false advertising. In 2017, a man in Massachusetts filed a lawsuit against a buffet restaurant after being asked to leave for eating too much, claiming it violated the all-you-can-eat promise. The real-life incident mirrored the show's comedic exaggeration, blurring the lines between satire and reality. The Simpsons has consistently blended humor with insightful commentary, often venturing into the realm of prophecy. Whether these instances are coincidences, educated guesses, or a testament to the writer's keen observations, they underscore the show's unique place in pop culture. As we continue to navigate an ever-evolving world, one can't help but wonder, what will The Simpsons predict next?